First, you want to clean your glass. You always work with a clean glass. That's to get any grease, anything that's builded, dust, grease, or whatever on there before you start working with your glass. So you do want it to be clean. So that's what I'm doing now. And you can get your soap and water, or Windex is good, you know, with paper towel. Any type of glass cleaner. Vinegar and water is good. But just to get it clean and get everything off of your glass. Now, what you're going to need, though, is your Mod Podge. You're going to need, these are your glass stones here. Your brush. Let me set this aside now. I don't want to put it all over the glass like I normally would put it all up there. I just want to just go around. So I'm just go around the edge of the glass. I'm going to use the baby brush for that because the other brush will make it too wide. So I just want to brush it around, just lightly brush a little bit around it.